What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about 5 things that I absolutely love about my Jeep Trackhawk. We're going to start with number 1, probably being the reason why you love Jeep Trackhawks is due to the fact that they come with a Hellcat motor. I mean, how cool is it that from production, whoa. With that being said, guys, how cool is it that we have over 700 horsepower from factory? I believe it's kind of almost like, how do I put it? It's almost unreal how Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler integrated these motors into these trucks. They knew what they were doing, bro. They knew what the people wanted, and they knew what would sell.
Shut up and take my money!
With that being said, let's go on to number 2. The second reason why I personally love this truck so much is due to the fact to how comfortable this truck is, bro. When you're driving this truck, it almost feels like you're driving a sports car. For example, a Mustang or a Camaro. You might say, why does it feel like that? It doesn't feel like you're driving an SUV. It feels like you're almost damn near in a go-kart, brother. How much more can I say? It's just so fun to drive. You do feel a little bit heavy, but it feels like you're like in a Camaro, you know, like something heavy but not like slow. I don't know how to put it. I don't know if my wording's not right, but yeah, this truck is just amazing, bro. And with that being said, let's go to number 3. Number 3 is the all-wheel drive system. And you're probably wondering, what does the all-wheel drive system have to do with you liking the truck? Well, this truck is a all-wheel drive, how I said, and most 4x4 trucks are 4-wheel drive. And now the difference between the two is all-wheel drive, the system is always rotating the tires, the 4 tires. It doesn't impede, it doesn't go to 2-wheel drive. And with that being said, we have a few features right here. Different drive modes. We have tow mode, we have snow mode. And what that does, it adjusts the transfer case. When you go to tow mode, it does 50-50. 50% power to the front, 50% power to the back. And when you go to snow mode, from my understanding, it goes 60-40 or 40-60, if I'm not mistaken. 40 in the front, 60 in the back. And then with track mode, it does, I believe, 70% to the power to the rear tires and only 30 to the front. And that's why I like this truck, because not all trucks are all-wheel drive. Alright guys, let's go to number 4. My 4th reason why I love the Jeep Trackhawk platform is the yellow accents, bro. They're just so clean, and I feel like it complements the truck so much. A lot of people love them, a lot of people hate them. Me personally, I do like them. I like the yellow Brambos, I like the yellow badges. I do have a LED style badge up front. I feel like it does complement the truck nicely. You can't see it right now, but I will be dropping a video right here so you can check it out. And with that being said, let's go on to number 5. My 5th reason why I love the Jeep Trackhawks is their aftermarket platform, bro. Anything you want, anything you could imagine, you could find for these. The fact that they have the Hellcat engine made so many parts interchangeable between them too. So, for example, I want to make my truck faster. Okay, I want to do a ported blower. Let's say I don't want any downtime. I don't want to wait. I don't want to send out my supercharger. I don't want to wait a month, whatever it takes, a month, 2 months. I don't want to wait. I go on Facebook Marketplace and I find a Hellcat ported supercharger. It could be off a Trackhawk, it could be off a Charger, it could be off a Challenger. It could pretty much be off anything. It'll bolt right up. And that's the cool part about this. And that goes vice versa with the other parts. Oh. For the log real quick. You said don't look left, don't look right, don't look left, don't look right. Oh man. Alright guys, I got sidetracked by a snack pack. Alright, in case I didn't go through number 5 too well, the aftermarket support for the Hellcat platform is incredible. From parts to tuners to anything you can think of, everything is there. Anything you would want to do, you can literally do it. You just gotta search it up on Google. And yeah, that goes to my 5th reason why I love these trucks.